Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to create professional human voiceovers easily for our videos. In this video, we are going to show this by using an entirely free website known as Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a simple web-based video editing and creation platform that allows us to easily create, edit, and share videos. We're going to show how to use Clipchamp's built-in text-to-speech feature to create high-quality voiceovers for our videos in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. Section 1, Logging in and creating a new video. The first thing we need to do is log in to our Clipchamp account. We can either sign up for a new account or use our Google or Facebook account to log in. Once we've logged in, we are supposed to create a new video by clicking on the Create a New Video button. From here, we can find many options like screen and camera option, or we can even create the screen recording from here. Section 2, Creating a human voice from text. To create a human voiceover from text, we select the text-to-speech option. From here, we need to select the language. We can find multiple language options. For example, we select the English as our language. Now we need to select the voice for our text. Here we have a bunch of options to select from male or female voice we want. Here another interesting feature we can find that is we can give emotions in our voice. We can also manage our speech speed and our voice pitch to suit our needs. Section 3, Adding our text. Now it's time to add our text to be spoken. Simply type in the text we want to be spoken. Section 4, Previewing and saving our audio. Once we've added our text, we can preview our voiceover to make sure it sounds the way we want it to.
Hey there, hear us out. We have put together a really informative and helpful video for you. We promise it will be worth for your time to stick around and watch it. Let us show you how to take your video editing skills to the next level.
Once we're happy with our text-to-voice track, we can save our audio and wait for it to be prepared. Now then, we drag the audio to our workspace and finally save the audio file by exporting it. Section 5, Converting our file to MP3. Since the file is in video MP4 format, we need to convert it to MP3 for use in our videos. For this, we can use cloudconvert.com to convert the file. We simply log in or sign up for an account. We select the video file to convert, and click on the Convert button. We are done. We received the final output file in MP3 format. Now we can use it for our videos. And that's it. We now know how to create professional human voiceovers for our videos using Clipchamp. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. In our next tutorials we will learn how to make professional videos for free. Thank you and happy video making.